Hi friends! Join me to use my new ultrasonic cleaner for your jewelry. So let's go open it and try it. I use jewelry too much and cleaning it is always a problem. So I really hope that this product help me to solve this problem. Came with this usual manual, and here says that you can use this ultrasonic cleaner to wash your glasses, dentures, jewelry of gold, silver, and platinum, waterproof watches. You can clean metal utensils like spoons or forks, razor blades, brushes like tooth brush, eyelash brush, and color for your lashes. So that's a great too, because as a woman that use makeup, clean your brushes with this, it's so easy. Okay. So, came with this cable. So all the things that you need to do is put your cleaner in the energy, connect it, and you just have to. And now I have here some water with my cleaning solution. You can use the cleaning solution that you want, that you prefer. So here is a sign of the maximum level of water that you can add. I'm gonna respect that line. So previously to this unboxing, I have here my favorite bracelet of silver. I'm put it in some coffee to put it dirty. So now I'm gonna take my bracelet. Look at this. I really hope they'll clean it because I love this bracelet. So I'm gonna put it in the water. I'm gonna close this. And now using this touch control, I'm gonna select the time that I wanna put to clean my bracelet. That goes to the 90 seconds to 480 seconds. So I think that I'm gonna choose 90 just to see. So as you can see and hear, this is a silence product. That's great if you're gonna use it so much. It's practical, and can you help to resolve your problems with all your utensils of makeup or your glasses, your jewelry. So let's go see how it works. I think that it works perfect because I can see that my bracelet is pretty so clean, and I can see the coffee going out of my bracelet. So we're gonna wait 90 seconds, the time we choose. And another thing that I have to say about this product is that the materials are high quality, so it's durable and it's so easy to use. As you can see, you just have to put it in the energy and turn it on. And it's an 8% too. And if you need it, I highly recommend it. But I think that it's a great thing to use it like a gift for someone that you think that can be need this product. So I already done the 90 seconds. So I'm gonna pin it and I'm gonna take out my bracelet. And it's clean. Oh, it's more shiny actually. So look at this. So I highly recommend this ultrasonic cleanser. See you.